Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to show or hide my computer or this PC or home directory in Linux. My computer icon or this PC icon is called home directory in Linux or Ubuntu. So you can see home directory is disabled or it is hidden. So I am going to show you how to visible it. So friends, at first we have to go to the settings. You can go to the settings in various ways just by clicking on show apps button, which is located bottom left corner, and then type on the search box just settings and then click on it. And then we have to switch to Ubuntu desktop. This is the Ubuntu desktop menu, and under Ubuntu desktop you will find desktop icons, and here you will find show home folder. It is disabled, just we have to enable it. See, home directory is visible now. So friends, in this way you can show or hide home directory in Linux or Ubuntu operating system. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.